So this is exciting. We are unboxing. I'm also going to take a few photos as we go through so I can put those on the blog. Scissors to the ready. And this is for the Radionics phase 2 of the quantum entanglement remote experiment. So for those of you I haven't met before, my name is Marilyn Devonish. We've just completed phase 1 of the remote experiment. The results have been absolutely spectacular. So I'm just cutting the packaging off. The results have been absolutely spectacular. For example, had someone who was working on hip pain and osteoporosis. Within 4 days, pain had reduced. What they call the pronounced limp was no longer pronounced, and they were able to walk up the stairs without holding the rails, which was amazing. And then that weekend, they went to a school event with their grandchildren. So they're a grandparent, and they did the candy dance. And they said not only did they do the candy dance, they did the fast jungle version as well. So, and they sent me the video. I watched the video at the weekend. It's not for public viewing. They were brilliant. If they hadn't told me what they were wearing, I wouldn't have known who was who, because everybody was dancing to time, dancing at speed. There's a lot of hop and turning in that one. So for someone with osteoporosis in the hip, not the ideal. And seriously, they did brilliantly. So that was amazing. And I was also then speaking to someone today, another person who's been taking part, and they felt that they've been spiritually blocked. And they said, that's it, they've just been unblocked. It's amazing. And also they were saying that, like, I recorded a HUNA, an access consciousness session, as a bonus for those people taking part. I did it as an MP3, and they said it was the first good night's sleep they've had in 3.5 years. In terms of that, there was also someone who's had real trouble sleeping. They from day number 1, the first, because everybody has 7 dedicated days. All right, so here it is. And from night number 1, they sent me an email the next day saying they've had great night's sleep. So it's been absolutely amazing. Alrighty, so here we go. Okay, so let me do it that way so you can see it. There we go. So that's the Radionics plate. So you've got the input and the output, and we'll be setting the frequency. So whatever, this is when we're going to do the imprinting. So I'm going to be imprinting on the holographic stickers. They haven't arrived yet. I've ordered those. They're coming in from abroad, so I'm waiting for those. So they're going to imprint on the holographic stickers. I'm also thinking, actually, I'm thinking about this sort of size as well, actually. I've got a few here. I'm also thinking of imprinting onto crystals. So whatever it is you want, let's just say someone said they want self-love, self-care, self-esteem. So we'll set the frequencies for that, and then place the object that we want to imprint into. For example, the crystal. Could be different styles, but I'm thinking about this sort of size because they fit nicely on that plate. We will imprint that into the crystal, and then I will send that to you by post, and let's see what happens. And with the holographic stickers, for example, the person who was doing the hip pain, osteoporosis, I could imprint onto that some of the frequencies that I used when we were doing the remote experiment: joint pain, osteoporosis, flexibility, that sort of thing. Could imprint those onto the stickers and then place the stickers where you like, and let's see what happens. So this is phase 2. This is from Berkana Labs. You do need the other kit to support it that I've been using. So the scalar energy, we're using the Rife frequencies, we're using the harmonics, we're using the molecular harmony molecular frequencies as well, and the HUNA energy. So this is going to add into the mix for that, and that's how we'll do the manifestation protocol, and that's how we'll do the radionics and the imprinting. So very, very excited to get started with this. And yeah, here we go. And also just a massive thank you to all of those of you who have taken part. We had 6 people take part in the remote experiment. The blog is now up if you want to watch that. I'll put it in the description somewhere in this video, and you can read the results for yourself. And I've also been doing little short 1-2 minute videos just summarizing some of those results. You can watch those as well. So those are being added to the blog site. Hold on. I created, put the box there, it's just the lead for it. Let me just tell you what the URL is, so it's in the video, because I created a bit.ly link because it's quite a mouthful otherwise. Let's see. So, remote experiment results. So it's www.bit.ly/remote-quantum-results. So bit.ly/remote-quantum-results. That will take you to the blog where I've been updating. Now the feedback and results, they're all in people's own words. All I've done is just cut and paste it. Anything that identified people, I've taken that out. Anything that would make it obvious who was speaking, I've taken that out. But essentially, I've just cut and pasted what people have said with their permission, of course, and added those to the blog. So go forth and read the results. For those of you who are taking part in phase 2, doing the manifestation protocol and doing the imprinting, I really am looking forward to this. So exciting. So yeah, can't wait. Well, for those of you I haven't met before, as I said, my name is Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess Coach. You can check out my main website. I'll say it and I spell it, transformationstm.com. That's www.trance, as in hypnotic trance, F for Freddy, FOR, M for mother. So FORMATIONS. TM as in trademark.com. Now, when you land on transformationstm.com, there's a red What's New button, normally at the top right. Click that, a panel will slide out, and that's almost like a what's on calendar, forthcoming events. If you look on the left hand side towards the top, you'll see the place where you can sign up for my e-newsletter list if you're not already on the list, because places for this, I offered them out to people on my e-newsletter list first, and I only wanted to do 5 or 6 people because everyone has a dedicated week, so they have 7 days in terms of the way the schedule was run. So day 1 was the remote scalar energy. Day 2 was a break. You'll see why I scheduled in a break when you read the feedback. I suspected that was what would happen. Day 5, it's the pure scalar energy. Day 6, day 1 scalar. Day 2 break. Day 3 pure scalar. Day 4 the Huna energy clearing. Day 5 molecular energy. I explained that in the intro blog. Day 6 is the scalar energy, and day 7 is the scan and review and anything else, any sort of wrap up stuff that I want to do. And I was adjusting as we went through based on the feedback that people were sending me, because some people were sending me daily updates with all the cool things that were happening. So yes, I will leave it there. I am running a results free webinar if you're watching this in real time. I haven't run it as yet, so it's going to be free. So I'll put the link to that as well. I only set it up yesterday. I haven't sent it out to the public yet. I've just sent it to those taking part so that they can register early and get their questions in. But yeah, love it. And what I'll also do with the URL that I've shared with you previously, I'll add the link to there. So if you want to register for the webinar, I've also added a link for the intro webinar that I ran when I explained all of the kit, all of the technology, everything we're doing, how it's set up. So check that out as well. And if you know someone who could benefit from basking in this wonderful energy, then please feel free to share this video, share the links with them. That would be very much appreciated. But wishing you all a fabulous rest of your morning, afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the world. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess Coach and Rapid Transformation Specialist, over and out.